Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. This video was originally going to be a short, sweet Instagram video, but going through the 9mobile page, create your own video answering 3 questions, upload your video to YouTube with the title Quality Data Challenge, hashtag be me a here on YouTube, and on Instagram tag me to do this video. And when I saw the question, I was like, without further ado, basically it is a challenge that 9mobile started. It's called the Quality Data Challenge from 9mobile. Oh, you can even win gifts. I did not know. Let's go. So you're supposed to answer 3 questions, but I find 3 questions for you to brother somehow. So I'm just going to answer the 10 of them, then probably make 3 into Instagram. The intro is getting way too long and I need to leave for work now, so let's just get started. Number 1. If your plane is about to crash and you could only post one thing, what would it be? Being that I'm very video inclined, I would post a video, something that has to do with an Instagram video, just saying, you know, thank you to everybody that impacted in my life. Shout outs to my papa, you're the best. Shout outs to my mama, I love ya. Shout outs to my siblings. I don't know, something in that line, just like a last minute kind of something like that. An Instagram video. I will not do a tweet or a post, a video, so that you see my golden pop-up face one last time. But yeah, God forbid my plane will not crash in Jesus' name. But that's the answer to the question. 9mobile, this is very serious. It won't crash. Don't get first question. Number 2, how would you live without data for 24 hours? Something I've done in the past is nothing out of the ordinary. Like, if I don't have data for 24 hours, I've done like a social media detox for about a week. So 24 hours is like not really that much of a big deal. So if I don't have data for 24 hours, I'll read more, probably take a walk, spend more time with my friends and family, do things that I would only do if I don't have internet. So 24 hours without data, it's not so much of a big deal for me. I'll not die. I'll watch videos on my laptop, I'll watch TV, read book, read magazine, you know, those kind of things. So it's nothing too much of a deal. Next question says, what do you use data for the most? I use data for YouTube. If you know me, you see me in the comment section of every video. Girl, what do you think I use data for? I am not on Facebook as much. Twitter, I don't even have the application for Twitter. I still don't understand how that thing works. Snapchat, I don't have it as well. Instagram, I'm on Instagram a lot, but YouTube, that's where you catch me. Comment section, watching YouTube videos. So I use my data for YouTube the most, and it consumes a lot of my internet. So yeah. When you see free data, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Using it, obviously. If I'm with my brother, I'll go, Damie, please download 2018 movies, please. That is me. YouTube. Maybe I'm on YouTube, maybe I'm reading blogs or something. Next question says, how much data do you think will be enough for a month? Unlimited internet. Like, just give me unlimited internet. Like, having to renew my internet every 1 week or every 2 weeks is annoying. Unlimited internet, just say, Damie, take. I dash you from the realness of my heart. Unlimited. Please, that's the only answer to this question. What is the first thing you do when you pick up your phone in the morning? I unlock my phone. Aside that, I unlock my phone. I think I check WhatsApp first. I check WhatsApp, then I check my emails. Because WhatsApp is like where major information go through for me. Then I check my email, so that's what I do in the morning. If you could have only one social media platform, which one would it be? Instagram. I'm not so much of a Twitter person. Facebook, I use Facebook to check up on friends and family once in a while, share links, blog posts, videos and the rest. But Instagram, I'm actively on Instagram more than I'm on any social media platform. Instagram, you can find funny videos, life tips, drama. Instagram, you can go to like blogs, Instagram account to get like the gossip gist, check out on your favorite fashion bloggers. So yeah. Next question, a laptop, a mobile phone, or a tablet? Tablet is bulky. I would have said a tablet, you know, because the screen is bigger and everything. I see people answer phone calls with tablets. I'm like, you now carry something this big and be like, hey, look, calm down. So a phone is just easy for me. I beg, I can watch movies. Next question, Nigerian Jollof served with dodo and chicken or free to gig? Don't come at me, but what do you think my answer will be? My answer is free to gig data. I am one of the minute people that feel like jollof rice is not all that. no offense, but like when people are screaming jollof rice, Nigerian jollof, Ghanaian jollof, I'm like, is it the same jollof rice I'm eating? Cause I don't seem to get the, what are we fighting over? Is it jollof rice? Like, I'm trying to understand the hype. I'm trying to give me Nigerian jollof, Ghanaian jollof, whatever jollof. Give me jollof, give me 2 gig data. I'll take 2 gig data over jollof anytime. I've answered all the questions. Someone says tag 2 of your friends. I'll put your names. I'm probably going to tag more than 2 people. Waka girl, we're tied together to do this, so I need to see your video. Talk over ice cream. I don't mind. I need to see your video. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Damie Alabi. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, share. Let me know in the comment section, would you rather have jollof rice or 2 gig worth of data? I want to know. I want to know what turns you on. So shout outs to Beanie for tagging me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.